As temperature rises and days get longer, we all need to start cooling off and keep ourselves hydrated. Here I am with four different types of juices. It's lemonade, blue lagoon, sunset mocktail, and some blue lagoon mocktail. Let's get started with the lemonade first. I have taken juice of one lime. You can take lemon also, and I'm adding some ice cubes in here. I will add 2 spoons of powdered sugar, water at normal temperature. If you want, you can add cold water, and a pinch of salt. And shake it well. And we're done with the lemonade. I'm just going to pour the whole juice into the glass. And that's a simple lemonade that we can make any time of the day and keep ourselves hydrated. I'm adding a few slices of lime to this just for garnishing. If you're a fan of limes, feel free to add as many slices as you want and then just squish it while you drink the lemonade. Let's proceed with the Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon is a citrusy syrup. It is mostly found in Asian countries, made of orange oil. As I read on the label, I am using half lemon juice, putting some ice cubes on it, and I am adding 60 ml of blue curacao Blue Lagoon syrup to the lime juice and ice. And I'm going to add Sprite to this to add some sparkle to the juice. Give it a light stir and the juice is ready. Let's start with the sunset watermelon and orange mocktail. I'm taking some orange juice here. These are little tangerines that I used. And I have taken some watermelon juice. Add the orange juice to the glass. We'll start with the orange juice. You can also start with the watermelon first if you would like to. It just depends on what kind of effect you want to bring to your juice. So I'm adding orange first and then I've added some ice cubes to it. I pour a little bit of Sprite and slowly I'm going to pour watermelon juice. I would not pour all of it at the same time because the effect that I want in my juice will come only if I pour the watermelon juice slowly. So I'm going to pour some more. Awesome. So the orange juice settled at the bottom and you can see how the watermelon juice has mixed with the orange juice, and I topped it up with the cherry. The juice is ready. Let's start with the Blue Lagoon and orange mocktail. I'm going to measure it 60 ml first and then another 60 ml. I'm going to add some crushed ice. After this, let's add some lime slices to it. We add the garnish at the top of the ice and we will slowly add the orange juice here. I used a lighter color orange here because I wanted a green color in my juice, which let's see if we can get it. Let's add some sparkle to the juice. Adding it slowly so that the blue and the orange juice doesn't mix up completely because I want the bottom to stay blue. When you're ready to drink the mocktail, you can certainly go and give it a stir and enjoy the flavor of both the mixed juices, or you can drink it as is. I'm topping it up with the cherry. My cherry doesn't want to stay on the ice. So, okay, it's done. Enjoy the juices and please comment, like and subscribe to my channel and let me know how did you like the recipes. Watch for more. Thank you.